The Samsung 77S90F OLED TV, part of Samsung's 2025 mid to high-end OLED lineup, is a compelling choice for cinephiles and gamers. With its 77-inch QD-OLED panel, it offers a blend of cutting-edge technology and versatile performance. Before deciding, let's break down its strengths and weaknesses. The S90F leverages QD-OLED technology, combining OLED's perfect blacks with quantum dots for enhanced brightness and color volume. Compared to traditional OLED panels, it delivers superior vibrancy and peak brightness, reaching around 1700 nits per RTI NGS tests. This makes HDR content pop with stunning highlights and detail. Color accuracy is excellent out of the box with Pantone-validated reproduction, ideal for cinematic viewing. Note that while the 77-inch model uses QD-OLED, the 42, 48, and 83-inch variants use OLED panels, which slightly differ in performance. In dark rooms, the S90F excels with perfect blacks and zero blooming, creating an immersive movie-watching experience. Its wide viewing angles ensure consistent colors for group viewing. However, in bright environments, reflections can slightly elevate black levels, causing a minor washed-out effect. Still, its anti-reflective coating performs well compared to competitors like the LG C4. Gamers will appreciate the S90F's 4K 144Hz support, HDMI 2.1 ports, VRR, FreeSync Premium, and low input lag. The fast pixel response time virtually eliminates motion blur, making it ideal for fast-paced games. However, slow panning scenes may exhibit minor stuttering, a common OLED trait. The 40W 2.1 channel speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver solid audio, though the lack of DTS and Dolby Vision support remains a Samsung drawback. The 2025 Tizen OS is smooth and intuitive, with Samsung Vision AI and 4K AI upscaling enhancing low-resolution content for crisp visuals. The central pedestal stand simplifies setup and cable management, while the slim bezels and sleek design fit modern spaces. The solar cell remote is eco-friendly but lacks backlighting, which can be inconvenient in low light. Priced around $3,500, the 77S90F is a more affordable alternative to the flagship S95F. Its QD-OLED panel, gaming prowess, and smart features make it a strong contender for home theater and gaming setups. However, the absence of Dolby Vision and slight performance dips in bright rooms warrant consideration of rivals like the LG C5. If your priority is cinematic quality in darker settings and robust gaming features, the S90F is a solid choice. The Samsung 77S90F balances price and performance, delivering vibrant QD-OLED visuals, excellent gaming capabilities, and a refined Tizen experience. While minor drawbacks like Dolby Vision omission and bright room performance exist, it's a highly recommendable TV for those seeking a premium OLED experience.